Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to fix slow charging. In the beginning, let's talk about hardware and accessory checks. Firstly, make sure to use original charger and cable. Ensure you are using the standard HONOR charger and data cable. Different brands or non-standard cables adapters may not support the phone's fast charging protocols, resulting in slower charging speeds. Then, check for damage. Inspect the charger, cable and the phone's charging port for any signs of damage, such as fried wires, bent pins or loose connection. If any component is damaged, you have to replace it. The most popular damage of the cables is located right here. Next, you should consider cleaning the charging port. Often, you can encounter charging port dust buildup. In order to clean the charging port, make sure to turn off the smartphone and use isopropyl alcohol. You can rub the isopropyl alcohol with the wooden stick with some kind of wool at the top of it. For example, the one that you are using to clean your ears with. While the smartphone is off, gently clean the charging port. Then use toothpick or SIM card tray opener to remove excess. After alcohol is vaporized, turn on the smartphone and try charging it. Now, let's talk about software and usage optimization. Firstly, if you want to fast charge your smartphone, close all background apps. Then you can try to enable airplane mode. Next, you can charge in cool environment. Update software, because with software updates, you can update fast charging protocols. And then you can avoid using the phone while charging. This should help fix slow charging problem. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.